A Cleo refund staying pending usually means the original transaction hasn't fully cleared yet, the merchant hasn't finished processing the reversal, or the banking network is still updating the transaction status. By the end of this, you'll know how to track where your refund is stuck, what pending actually means inside Cleo, and what steps can help it move forward. Start by opening the Cleo app and tapping the transaction that shows the pending refund. If it still says pending, the refund has been started but not fully completed across the merchant and bank systems. Next, check the original purchase tied to that refund. Refunds can't fully finalize until the original transaction has fully settled in the banking system. If the original charge is still processing, the refund will automatically stay pending. Now look at your account balance and transaction list. Some refunds update the total balance first, while the available balance takes longer to reflect changes. Next, check the merchant's order history, or email receipt, if you still have it. Some merchants delay issuing refunds until they batch process returns, which slows everything down before it even reaches your bank. Now make sure your Cleo bank connection is working properly. If your linked bank is out of sync, it can make pending transactions look delayed even when they're already moving through the system. Next, check if your Cleo app is fully updated. Older versions can sometimes show outdated transaction statuses or fail to refresh pending updates correctly. If the refund has been pending for a while, sign out of the app and sign back in. That forces a full data refresh and can update delayed transaction statuses. If you recently filed a dispute or chargeback, that can also slow down refund completion. In those cases, the timeline depends heavily on the merchant and bank investigation process. Avoid contacting support too early unless the refund has clearly exceeded normal processing time. Most pending refunds are caused by merchant processing delays, not issues inside Cleo itself. If nothing changes, contact Cleo support with the transaction date, merchant name, and refund amount. To sum it up, check the original transaction status, confirm the merchant has processed the refund, refresh your app data, and verify your bank sync. Next, wait for both merchant processing and bank settlement before escalating the issue. If this guide helped, like the video, subscribe for more Cleo tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and personal finance tips.